Hi, Nina here, and I'm going to show you two ways that I remove color shifts in Photoshop. The first is select and color range. With the eyedropper, select the area that you wish to edit, and I'm using a hue saturation adjustment layer to remove the reds and yellows, so desaturate the reds and yellows in the hair. And I'm also going to do exactly the same thing for the jacket. But first of all, I'm just using a black brush to go over the areas that I do not wish the edit or the desaturation to impact on, and that's the skin and the jacket. Now, for that area of the jacket where there's a little bit of red, I'm just doing exactly the same thing and just desaturating the reds. And the second approach is a new blank layer, changing the blending mode to color with a brush. Sample the color that you wish to use to remove the color shift and paint over. So the two approaches I use are color range to select the area, hue saturation adjustment layer to make the adjustments, and a new blank layer changing the blending mode to color.